Which sea animal shall we do our report on, Coco?
There are so many interesting ones. How about sea stars?
Cool!
And here's a video with information about them.
Sensational sea stars! We can all recognize a starfish when we see one. Its arms make it look like a five-pointed star. There are about 2,000 kinds, ranging in size from a few centimeters to almost a meter. They can weigh up to 5 kilos. However, starfish are not fish at all. They have no scales, gills, bones, or fins. Therefore, scientists prefer to call them sea stars. Sea stars have spiny skins and round, disc-like bodies. Most have 5 arms, but some species have 10, 20, or even 50 arms. A sea star's arms are so smart that if it loses one, it will grow back. Sea stars use their arms to move around. Thousands of tiny suckers under their arms let them travel along the seafloor and to climb rocks above the surface. Their arms are also very strong. They can pull apart shellfish like mussels, one of their favorite foods. How does a sea star eat its prey? With the help of its 2 stomachs. Once the mussel's shell is open, the sea star pushes one stomach out of its mouth and starts eating. Then it pulls its prey into its body, where the second stomach finishes the meal. Here are some more interesting facts about sea stars. They have no brain, but they have nerves. No eyes, but they have light sensors on their arms. No blood, but they have muscles that pump seawater through their bodies. Sea stars are very important to the undersea world. If there were no sea stars, their prey, especially mussels, would multiply and drive out other species. Sea stars help balance the food chain and take care of the ecosystem.
What is a sea star?
A. A round animal with 5 or more fins but no scales or gills. B. A round animal with 5 or more arms and spiny skin. C. A colorful fish with 5, 10, or 20 arms but no bones.
Right! A sea star is a round animal with 5 or more arms and spiny skin. Finish the sentence correctly. Sea stars have
A. Only one stomach. B. Eyes but no ears. C. No blood or brains.
You got it! Sea stars have no blood or brains. What do sea stars like to eat?
A. Mussels and other shellfish. B. Fish and mussels only. C. Fish and other sea stars.
Correct! Sea stars like to eat mussels and other shellfish.
What is your favorite sea animal? Share what you know about it with a friend. Nice job! Now let's learn about ways to connect ideas and sentences.
Coco, I was trying to write about the sea stars, but I don't know how to make my writing flow.
What do you mean?
Mum says that my ideas are all over the place, and my sentences are not connected.
I have the video script of the sea stars. Maybe it can teach us about how to make our writing flow. First, a good paragraph has only one main idea. Can you find the main idea of this paragraph?
However, starfish are not fish at all. They have no scales, gills, bones, or fins. Therefore, scientists prefer to call them sea stars.
What is the main idea of this paragraph?
A. Starfish have no fins. B. Starfish are not fish in any way. C. Starfish are called sea stars.
The main idea of this paragraph is starfish are not fish in any way. Second, we use pronouns to glue sentences together. Read this paragraph. Can you find all the pronouns? Excellent. They in the second sentence and them in the third sentence both refer to starfish in the first sentence. Third, we repeat words or phrases to show importance. Last but not least, we use connecting words to show relationships between ideas. What does the connecting word therefore tell us about the relationship between the second and third sentences?
A. Problem and solution. B. Different topics. C. Cause and effect.
Yes, cause and effect. Scientists call starfish sea stars because they're not fish. What does the connecting word, however, tell us about the relationship between this paragraph and the paragraph before it?
A. Problem and solution. B. Different topics. C. Cause and effect.
You're right. However means that the writer is going to talk about something different.
Wow, it takes so much to write a good paragraph. Let me summarize what you've just said.
Grab a paper and pencil.
Fill in the review list.
Let's review ways to make our writing flow by completing the words below. Excellent.
A good paragraph has only one main idea. A pronoun takes the place of a word used earlier. It helps to glue sentences together. We repeat words and phrases to show that something is important, and we should remember it. We also use connecting words like however and therefore to show relationship between ideas.
I think I got it now. Pick any paragraph and I will find all the tricks the writer uses to connect ideas and make them flow.
You're on!
Grab a paper and pencil.
What's the main idea of this paragraph?
Their arms are also very strong. They can pull apart shellfish like mussels, one of their favorite foods. How does a sea star eat its prey? With the help of its two stomachs. Once the mussel's shell is open, the sea star pushes one stomach out of its mouth and starts eating. Then it pulls its prey into its body, where the second stomach finishes the meal.
A. Sea stars have strong arms. B. How sea stars eat their prey. C. Sea stars have two stomachs.
The main idea is B. How sea stars eat their prey.
What does the pronoun they refer to?
A. Sea stars. B. Muscles. C. Sea stars' arms.
They refers to their arms. It glues the two sentences together.
How does the word then connect sentences?
A. It shows that one thing happens after another. B. It connects the reason and the effect. C. It connects two opposite ideas.
We use then to show that one thing happens after another.
How does the word also connect sentences?
A. It connects the reason and the effect. B. It adds more information about the sea star's arms. C. It connects two opposite ideas.
We use also to add more information.
मिलते हैं एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद। चलें अब चलते हैं वापस अपने लेसन की तरफ।
Let's review what we have learned.
We use connecting words, pronouns, and repetition to make a piece of writing flow.
Yes. No.
Complete the sentence. Their arms are also very strong. Blank can pull apart shellfish like muscles.
It, they, them.
Examine other paragraphs in the script and explain to a friend how ideas are connected. Congratulations on learning about ways to make your writing flow.